In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI visuals and forecasting in Power BI. We'll start in Power BI Desktop, open an existing report, and then explore a few powerful AI-driven visuals that help you forecast trends, explain what's driving your numbers, and even ask questions in plain English. With your report open, look to the Visualizations pane on the right and select the line chart. Build a simple time series view by dragging your date field to the x-axis and your sales field to the y-axis. This gives us the foundation for forecasting. Make sure your date field is recognized as a date and your sales is numeric, so Power BI can model the trend correctly. Click the line chart to select it, then open the analytics pane using the small magnifying glass icon. Turn on forecast. In the forecast settings, set the length to how far into the future you want to predict, for example, 6 months. The confidence interval is typically 95%, which shows the likely range of outcomes, helping you communicate uncertainty clearly. If your data has a repeating pattern, specify seasonality, such as monthly or quarterly cycles, so the forecast reflects those rhythms. The ignore last option lets you exclude the most recent incomplete period, so partial data doesn't skew the model. Once applied, you'll see the projected line and the shaded confidence band extending beyond your latest actuals. Next, add the key influencers visual. This AI visual quickly explains what factors most impact your chosen metric. Drag sales into Analyze, then add region, product, and date into Explain By. Power BI will evaluate which fields and values most strongly relate to higher or lower sales, presenting ranked insights you can click through. This is especially helpful for finding drivers you might not notice in a simple chart. For root cause exploration, insert a decomposition tree. Drag sales into Analyze, and in Explain By, add region, then product, then month. This interactive tree lets you break down sales step by step, drilling into the branches to see where performance is strongest or weakest. It's great for moving from the big picture down to the specific segment that needs attention. Finally, insert the Q&A visual. In the question box, type something like total sales by region or sales by month this year. Power BI interprets your question and builds the visual automatically, making it a fast way to explore your data without writing formulas. That's it. Forecasting, key influencers, decomposition, and Q&A all working together to turn your report into an AI-powered decision tool.